Salam, kids. How are you doing? Welcome to your channel Islam Station. The topic we are going to be discussing today will be to do mercy on others. In Islam, mercy is a fundamental attribute of Allah and a central concept in the religion. Mercy in Islam encompasses compassion, kindness, forgiveness, and care towards others. It is not just about showing leniency or sparing someone from harm. Muslims are encouraged to emulate Allah's mercy by being kind, compassionate, and forgiving in their dealings with others. This includes showing mercy to all of Allah's creations. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said about mercy, Allah will not be merciful to those who are not merciful to mankind. Mercy also involves forgiving others who may have wronged you. Islam teaches that forgiving others is a way to attain Allah's mercy and forgiveness. It is also considered as a way for your heart, near Allah. In Surah At-Tagabun, verse 64:14, Allah has said that, but if you pardon and overlook and forgive, then indeed Allah is forgiving and merciful. While Islam upholds justice, it also encourages mercy within the bounds of justice. For example, when someone has committed a wrong, Islam encourages forgiveness and reconciliation when possible. Now we are going to discuss a story of a boy named Ahmad having mercy to the kitten. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Medina, there lived a young boy named Ahmad. Ahmad was known for his kind heart and gentle nature. He loved to spend his days helping his neighbors and playing with the other children in the city. One sunny afternoon, as Ahmad was walking home from the mosque, he heard a faint meowing sound. Curious, he followed the sound to a small alley, where he found a tiny kitten stuck in a thorny bush. The poor kitten was trembling and scared, its fur matted and dirty. Without hesitation, Ahmad carefully reached out to the kitten. He gently untangled it from the bush, even though the thorns pricked his hands. Once the kitten was free, Ahmad noticed it was hungry and weak. Instead of just leaving it there, he took the kitten home. At home, Ahmad gave the kitten some milk and cleaned its fur with warm water. The kitten purred with gratitude, snuggling into Ahmad's lap, feeling safe and loved. Later that evening, Ahmad's father, who was very wise, noticed the kitten and asked Ahmad, "Why did you bring this kitten home?" Ahmad replied, "Father, it was stuck in the bush and looked so scared. I couldn't leave it there all alone." His father smiled and said, "My dear son, what you have shown today is the true spirit of mercy. Just like you showed kindness to this helpless creature, Allah shows even greater mercy to all of us. Remember, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that every act of kindness to any living being is a form of worship." Ahmad beamed with pride, realizing that his small act of kindness was a reflection of Allah's mercy. The kitten stayed with Ahmad's family, and every time Ahmad looked at it, he was reminded of the importance of showing mercy to all of Allah's creations. This story teaches us that mercy is not just about forgiving people, but also about showing kindness and care to all creatures, no matter how small. Allah loves those who are merciful, and every act of mercy, no matter how small, brings us closer to Him. So, kids, that was all for today's video. Stay tuned for more. Allah Hafiz.